Ito, ang Gala Rodriguez Ancestral House. Ito ay tinayo noong May 4, 1935 at ito ay pagmamayari ng mag-asawang sina Dr. Isidro Rodriguez at Doña Gregoria Gala. Ito ay dineclare by the National Historical Institute of the Philippines noong May 14, 2008 as one of the 3 heritage houses in Sariaya. Ito ay dinisenyo ni Dr. Juan Nakpin in the early 1930s. Ang bahay na ito ay located sa Rizal Street along with the other opulent houses owned by the Ilustrador of all Sariaya. Do Natalio Rodriguez Mansion. Isa ito sa pinakamalaking ancestral house dito sa Sariaya. Ito ay tinayo noong 1931 by Architect Andres Luna ni San Pedro. Ito ay pagmamayari ng Tayabas Provincial Governor na si Natalio Enriquez at ang kanyang asawa na si Susana Gala. Similar to the Mestizo District in Bigan, Sariaya is synonymous with a beautiful ancestral house that defined the elite influence centre of the town in 3 warriors. Doña Margarita Rodriguez Ancestral House. Very unique and suspicious with the name of its owner in bold concrete letters lining. The second floor face look old but in reality, ito ay napalta na dahil in January of 1951, nagkaroon ng malaking sunog and that hits Sariaya Commercial District on both sides of General Luna Street. Doña Margarita Rodriguez was once the Sariaya super rich spinter philanthropist. Siya ay nag-donate ng mga santos and churches, implement kung saan nakatayo ang St. Clair Monastery and the Our Lady of Mount Carmel Seminary. St. Francis of Assisi Church. Isang Roman Catholic Church dito sa Sariaya, Quezon. Ang St. Francis of Assisi Church ay unang tinayo noong 1599. In the 1605, tinayo ang pangalawang church but was replaced by a third church in 1641. At dahil sa malalakas na lindol at pagbagyo, ito ay nasira noong 1743, caused the people to transfer to the present site. Napakalawak at napaka-importante ng mga istorya about sa mga bahay na ito. Kailangan natin itong alagaan at i-preserve para maipakita pa sa susunod na henerasyon kung gaano kayaman sa historical ancestral house ang bayan ng Sariaya.